Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, i.Q.S.T.E.L Incorporated just filed a current report on Form 8K, and I am seeing a move that hints at internal restructuring. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is reorganizing its structure to better line up with its different business areas, like fintech and AI. This filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission is about a move i.Q.S.T.E.L Incorporated made on the 8th of July 2026. They entered into what they are calling a contribution agreement. Basically, the company and some of its own subsidiaries agreed to contribute certain assets, ownership stakes, and ongoing operations. This is all part of an internal shuffle. They are creating new subsidiaries or using existing ones to hold these contributions. The main idea behind this is to make the company structure simpler, make things run smoother, and get the legal setups to match the actual businesses they are running. This includes their financial technology, artificial intelligence, and digital services. As for what this means for investors right now, the filing clarifies that this reorganization does not change the company's management team or its board of directors. It also states that this move is not expected to have a big impact on their overall financial results. The company itself is incorporated in Nevada. Their principal executive offices are located in Coral Gables, Florida. It is interesting to see iQSTEL Incorporated, which is in the communication services and telecom services sector. Making these kinds of internal shifts, they have a market cap of about $7 million right now. With their stock trading around the dollar mark, they also have around 100 employees. Looking at some recent headlines, there is talk about a new holding company for iQSTEL that is aiming for a $560 million revenue run rate and a push into Africa. This restructuring might be a piece of that larger puzzle. There is also news about them betting on cybersecurity, even as some requirements are being eased. This filing is essentially a procedural step to inform the public and regulators about this internal agreement. It is part of the standard reporting requirements under the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. The full details of this contribution agreement are not included in this report, but will be provided in their upcoming quarterly report. So we will have to wait a bit longer to see the nitty-gritty of what exactly was contributed and to which entities based on the information available in this 8K filing. This is a corporate housekeeping item. It is not a major strategic shift that directly impacts financials right now, but it lays the groundwork for whatever future plans the company has, especially with the news pointing towards significant growth ambitions in Africa and revenue targets. The risk I am watching is how effectively these newly aligned legal entities will actually drive the stated operational efficiencies and contribute to that ambitious revenue run rate recently reported. What I am actually looking for is the detail in the upcoming 10Q to see the tangible effects of this realignment. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. What is your take on these internal reorganizations and what they signal for iQSTEL Incorporated's future? Hit the like button if you found this analysis helpful and subscribe for more insights from corporate filings. Join our Discord too. It is in the description.